The next question is, Assalamu alaikum. My question is, we have a business of selling cars on credit. So are we supposed to pay zakah on that money which is in the market as balance?
Zakat is mandatory upon 4 categories of wealth: gold, silver, and what comes underneath, such as currency. Then you have livestock, and that refers to camels, cows, sheep, goats, buffaloes, whatever. And the limited in this, chicken is not included, of course, not livestock, at least not in here. I don't know, in Uganda maybe, I don't know. Thirdly is crops, grain and the likes, dates, barley, wheat, and the likes. Fourthly is whatever is made to be sold and bought, known as urud al-tijara. Anything such as cars, clothes, grocery, items on the shelves, property, land, buildings, anything you sell, this is subject to zakat. Now when I sell cars, these cars go and come. So I sold a car, I get the money, I buy another car or 2 cars, and I sell the cars and I get spare parts. All the money is circulated in what I sell and buy. So actually it's not the car that I am getting or paying zakat for, it's the value of it. So every year, let's assume 1st of Ramadan, like most people give their zakat in, I calculate how much money I have, cash, how much value of the cars I have in my warehouse or in my showroom, how much money I have with the customers they're supposed to give me back. But this is considered to be a loan, a debt. And debts are either not going to come. I gave the brother a debt 10 years ago. Every year I say, where's my money? He says, inshallah, inshallah. And this is a dead debt. So I don't give zakat on that, because he's either stone broke or he is not willing to pay. Either way, I don't have the means to extract it from him. So there is no zakat until Allah puts some hidayah, guidance in his head and he says, here is your money. Then I give zakat only once. So the creditors or the people that I've sold on credit, usually they will give me the money back in 90 days. This is the norm, maybe less. So I have to calculate it in the zakat because I know it's going to come. If it is gone, the man declared bankruptcy, and he said, and the courts gave him the declaration not to pay the debts because he's not able to do this, then I don't have to pay zakat on that, and Allah knows best.